Earlier, when we were talking about project selection, we talked about internal sources, external sources. We listed down all the improvement areas where we can do Six Sigma project, and then we filtered that list to find out that which of these could be good potential Six Sigma projects. Here we need to understand that when you do a Six Sigma project, you do that project as a team. So in that team, you can have a Six Sigma black belt, green belt, you as a yellow belt, some subject matter experts, process owners. Number of people could be part of this Six Sigma improvement project. Each of these have their own interest in the project. As a team member, we need to understand that any project which we are doing has a number of stakeholders. And when I say stakeholders, that means stakeholder is any individual, group or institution that is affected by or interested in the project. And as a team, one thing which we need to remember is we need to manage the expectations of all these stakeholders as a team. When we say stakeholders, in Six Sigma project, stakeholders could be the management. Management is looking at the success of this project because they are interested in seeing that this project saves some money to the organization. And then you have a process owner. Process owner has an interest that the process which they are managing gets better. Then you have a black belt whose interest is in completing a number of improvement projects in a year. So you see that each of these projects would have number of stakeholders. Their interests are different. Their power levels are different. You need to understand that as a part of teams.